Hi, a few people wanted to know how to configure the Prusa Slicer for the Ender 3 S1 Pro. So this is a quick vid for you on how to do that. Just quick heads up, I'm using Prusa Slicer 2.4.2. And so what we do is we click on Configuration, choose Configuration Wizard, and then this window pops up. And for this, we just choose Creality FFF, and then we have the alpha here, which we choose, just this one here, the alpha Creality Ender 3 S1 0.4 nozzle. Then we go to next. I don't want to define a custom printer setup. And then for the filament choices, what I'm doing is I'm just using generic ABS, generic PETG, and generic PLA. Okay, I'll go for the automatic updates. I'm not exporting full path names. I'm not associating these files with Prusa Slicer. I'm using expert mode, and then I'm finished. And that's it. So I hope you can get your Ender 3 S1 Pro to work with Prusa Slicer. Good luck.